How to block websites on Google Chrome. If any day you are a Google Chrome user and you would like to deny or you would like to block any of the websites on the Google Chrome user which you find irrelevant or which you find very unlightful to you and you would like to just block it, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Google Chrome on your mobile device. After that, in the search icon, you have to search NextDNS.io. After you search My NextDNS.io, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the first option, that is NextDNS. After you tap on the NextDNS, you can see an interface like this. Now what happens is you have to go to the option of Try It Now. After you go to the option of the Try It Now, you can see an interface like this. You have to wait for a while until the very next interface appears, because that may be the problem of your internet connection out there. That may be your Wi-Fi connection, your very data connection as well. Now after you see an interface like this, you have to go to the option of the Deny list. After you go to the option of the Deny list, you have to add the domain of the very website that you would like to block, and after you tap on that and enable it, the very website will be blocked on your very mobile device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.